Hey y'all, Allison here, the Director of Risk Tolerance at Simpler Trading, and in today's video I want to look at Carvana. So overall, this had a great pop-up off earnings. It's pulled back since then into support. Not only is it at the 10 and 30 simple moving averages as a technical support, but it's also at a price support level of 350. Now, we didn't get much of a bounce today into the close, so I'm not in anything on this yet, but if it can hold this into tomorrow and maintain the bullish sentiment that it has down here, the recent true lows, I do like the idea of trying to play this for a bounce at the very least into 375, if not for a continuation higher. So that is what I will be watching. Let me pull up Carvana here over on the option chain. One of the trade ideas I liked potentially for this week to keep it short dated is an unbalanced fly, depending on the premium I can get, where that extra contracts as a credit spread. That way, if it pins at 350 as a psychological level, great max profit potential. If it bounces, then you get the premium for your profit. The only risk would be if it continues to drop back down, which is why I'm going to wait until tomorrow morning to see how this holds up. Another way you could play this, of course, is to give yourself a bit more time, maybe go out to the September monthly expiration and to do something as simple as a vertical spread. The 370, 380 is about a 348 cost basis, 652 profit potential. Once again, just looking for that bounce into 375, if not for that continuation higher. Thank you guys so much for joining me. As always, may the trade be with you, my fellow Jedis, and I look forward to talking to you next time. Bye.